$12,000 worth of credit card with very easy approval and no impact to credit. Hey YouTube, and welcome to Credit Oaks. In this very important video, I'm going to tell you about this $12,000 worth of credit card with no impact to your credit and with very easy approval. Means if you have bad, worst, poor, or no credit at all, then this is the opportunity for you. Remember, this is the card that a number of people don't even know about. So if you are watching this video, then you are one of those lucky ones. So make sure you stay with us till the end, because I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide how you can apply for this very important credit card. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $22,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check, and you can get it with bad or worst credit. So if you would like to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's start, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here is the opportunity for you that you have been waiting for a very long time, and this is from Avant. Like, Avant also gives a credit card. They're very famous for their personal loans, but they also have a credit card. And look at this, a credit card for every kind of financial journey. So it doesn't matter what sort of credit score you have, you are going to get this credit card. At least you get to know that you are approved or qualified for this card or not, with no impact to your credit score. A number of people got it over $12,000 as the credit limit, and this is indeed a huge opportunity. Well, they say that whatever your goals, an Avant credit card can help you get closer to them. Remember, I am going to show you the step-by-step guide how you can get pre-qualified for this Avant credit card. So make sure you stay with us till the end of this video. According to them, your path to healthy credit starts here. Means you can also build your credit. With an Avant credit card, you can get the buying power you want and take steps towards building your credit at the same time. They say that applying is easy. Just fill out our simple application. You'll get a decision in minutes, and remember, there'll be no impact to your credit score. I'll tell you about it in just a minute. There is no hidden fee, no need to worry about hidden fees, no surprises, zero over limit fee, $0 security deposit, $0 float liability. And this is great because you don't have to spend any money, or you don't have to take care of any hidden charges. Then you can boost your credit score. Watch your credit score climb as you use your card responsibly and pay off your balance on time. We always recommend to actually keep your balance below 30%, but if you pay it off in full, this is great. If anyone tells you just keep your balance below 30%, remember, you're gonna get interest on that. So make sure before you get charged the interest on your balance, make sure you pay it in full. Then proactive credit line increases. If you qualify for a higher credit limit, we'll let you know. Yes, they can actually check you for higher credit limits with different intervals. So they'll tell you either you're approved for the higher credit limits or not. Tap into the app, manage your credit card from anywhere with an Avant mobile app, and a personal touch. Get answers via phone or email. Their customer service is pretty nice, as we have heard or read a number of reviews. Now it's time to show you that how you can get pre-qualified with step-by-step guide. What I'm going to do, I'm going to paste the link in the video's description. You can click on it and this page will open, and right here you need to click right here that see if you qualify. So let's click on it. 3, 2, 1. Let's click. As soon as you click on it, it will do some loading, and of course it will verify your IP address and everything, and then it will open this thing right here. This is a form that you need to fill, and the great thing is that they say that welcome, let's get started to see if you qualify for an Avant card. And the best thing is that checking to see if you qualify for an Avant credit card does not affect your credit score. This is something what we love about these financial institutions, that they can actually tell you prior to getting a hard inquiry on your credit that either you're qualified or not. They'll just do a soft pull of your credit, and that's how they'll tell you about the approval. Then there are the step-by-step guide, as please tell us a little about yourself. You need to put your first name, your last name, your date of birth, means first month, date and year, your full social security number. Don't worry, they're not gonna do a hard inquiry of your credit because it will not impact your credit score. This is just the pre-qualification. And then you need to put your phone number. Make sure you put the area code as well. Then you need to create a login to save your progress and access your account. Let's say that if you got approved or you left this in the middle, then you can always come back and log into your account and just complete the application. Right here you need to put your email, your promotional code, optional, well, if you receive any promotional mail from them, in your mailbox, not in the email. Mostly it's a scam, but if you receive any code or anything, let's say that 0 APR for 2 years or something, if they sent you, like if you apply for a credit card you will get this, then make sure you put that promotional code, and you can click right here on add promo code. Then you need to click right here that I read and understand and consent to whatever rules they have. Then you need to click right here on continue application. As soon as you do it, they'll give you the actual decision, means the pre-qualification or decision. Remember, pre-qualification is not pre-approval, means it's not guaranteed, so you need to keep this in mind. But when you apply for it, and they'll do a hard inquiry, so of course your credit will be affected. But one thing that you need to understand, that when they approve you, you approve their offer, whatever they give you, then they'll do a hard pull of your credit. Then it means that you will see a hard inquiry on your credit, so your credit may be affected, but not with this form. This is just a pre-qualification, so please keep this in mind. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $22,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.